Elena, what is in this box?
This is something that I have been waiting for with much excitement for a little bit. So you guys get to see this for the first time along with me. So what this is a special limited edition PC case from NZXT. It's part of what I assume is pronounced their craft line. So these are curved. So these are special edition cases. They do a limited run. It's a partnership with another company. So they have 2 cases out right now. This one is, I guess I would say, my favorite of the 2, but they're planning to do more limited edition cases as time goes on, or different products. I shouldn't say just cases. So let me open this up and see how it goes. Adam and I are actually in a debate on the correct way to open this box. So I will humor Adam this time and open it from the bottom.
Yeah, I think you open it from the bottom, because then when you pull it up, and it reveals.
We'll do it all fancy and special for
Oh,
you.
oh, look, it says right here, 1 of 2,000.
Yep.
1 of 2,000 special cases.
I see on the box it already tells us this is a mid-tower case, so we don't have to have any debates over whether or not this is actually mid, actually full. Somebody on YouTube on another video said that the rule of thumb is that if I can fit in the box, it's a full tower. If I can't, then it's not.
See, though, I don't think that's true, because I think you could fit in this box.
No.
And this
no,
is a
not
mid-tower
comfortably.
box.
Not comfortably. I'm a little worried that this will become a thing and people will actually try to get me to step into every single box. All right.
Also, we are joined by Gordon Maong.
In the background here.
Hi, Gordon.
Hey, how's it going?
Not sure what he's doing on my laptop. I'm a little worried. All right. Let's see if we can get this to go.
New cook.
I'm sure people who are eagle-eyed already have an idea of what this is about. But I won't ruin the surprise for the rest of you all.
Oh, they anticipated what I anticipated.
See? I was right, Adam.
You were right. I was wrong.
Right.
Wait, so you did it upside
I was wrong.
I was so right. Sweet vindication. Ha!
Alright, well, I messed up that reveal. Let's put it back in. Let's rebox it.
No.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
All
Look
right,
at that.
so we are looking at a limited edition Fallout themed case.
Nice.
So this is the case. I also have, as you can see right here, a motherboard shield for one of the, I think it's their N7 motherboard. I really wish we could have gotten this as well, but they didn't have enough to share one, loan one to us.
That shield was really cool.
It looks super, super cool.
Yeah.
All right.
And yeah, once again, this is 1 of 2,000.
Yeah. So yeah, I think the motherboard cover is already sold out on the website, which is unfortunate.
Which
but-
was probably limited as well, right?
Right, you think they'd make enough to match the number of cases?
I
Because
mean,
if you're going to go as
maybe
far
they
as to
did.
buy the limited edition case, you're going to want
So-
the limited edition
Well,
motherboard.
I don't know. That motherboard shield looks pretty cool, even on its own.
All right, so don't come around this side because this will ruin the surprise of what the case looks like.
Okay. Oh yeah, because this is just the inside. Oh, look, it says, yep, limited production of 2,000.
Nice.
Let's try to close this knife without me killing my fingers here. Okay, I'm
Don't hurt yourself.
just gonna put that down. All right. This time I should have probably gone from the bottom, but
Ooh.
it's too late, Adam. I made my decision.
Well, but this is the front. I like that.
Ready?
Are you just gonna lift it up?
You can do it on that.
I thought I was just gonna
Put
flip
it
it
on the
over.
box. Oh, you want to flip it?
I think I'm gonna flip it because you see how heavy it is.
Oh, yeah, that's going to rip.
Yeah, I don't want to rip that
Yeah.
because our plan is to build with this and then give the case away.
What? We're giving this away?
The case, but not the insides?
No, sorry, we got to keep the insides because we only have a limited number of parts
Ready?
to work with here.
But you will get your chance during the live build to enter to win this case that has been gloriously unboxed by Elena Yee and Gordon Maong,
Ta-da.
who's now reading the box.
Yep.
What does it say, Gordon?
Well, I just want to...
Look at this, everybody.
Wow, that is a pretty
Isn't
paint
this
job.
pretty?
I mean, this is custom through and through. This is not
I love this red.
like, and especially
Okay, thanks.
these little like flourishes, like almost like rust spots. So it's
weathering.
Yeah, so it's supposed to look like a Nuka-Cola machine.
Yep. Oh, it's a matte finish. I thought it was going to be a gloss.
It's like a wrap, I think.
And this
Like a hydro dip or something.
Oh man, this is cool.
Okay, so this is, if you follow NZXT at all, this is their H700 with this special aesthetic.
Wow.
This is a tempered glass.
Wow.
I'm not going to peel this. I'll wait till the live build for that.
And
Out of the
yeah,
box.
it's got the flourishes. That's cool.
So wait, is this not stock on this
No,
case? So these are actually.
Yeah. This is and the little, obviously the paint stuff.
nice.
Did you come around this side yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
I was actually expecting it to be a gloss finish.
Yeah, that's weird.
I hate to say this, but I'm actually a little disappointed because I had this like whole thought in my mind and now I have to readjust.
Well, it makes it a little weathered, I guess, to have
does.
the
Yeah.
matte.
But I don't know, I just think when I see a color this like cherry red, I always think of like a really nice gloss finish.
like a Coca-Cola, right?
Yeah.
Like this bottle, like this
maybe
Nuka-Cola
they
bottle.
did it to preserve a certain kind of trademark.
Yeah, who knows?
Should we get inside, take a look?
Yeah, why
I'm
don't
kind of interested.
Do you want to put it on the table?
watch out for the knife, but yeah. Move all the junk on our table. Whew.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm pretty bummed. Oh, it comes from here.
So this is number
Oh.
1,864.
Where do you
Where's
see
the
that?
number?
It's on the plate. They have a plate
Where's
and it
the
tells
plate?
you.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Oh, I can't really see it once we get in
we'll
there.
take this off. I'm so nervous about this. Like, I don't want it to suddenly just fall after we take off the screws. Oh, that one's really in there.
Yeah. Do we need
Can you
to?
grab the, there's a...
No, I got it. I just don't want to bump the screws.
Okay, those are not captive.
Don't break it. Somebody is gonna get this as a giveaway.
Here is your slightly... I'm
Oh, I
ready.
like this.
I'm ready.
No, it's got the little rubber. It's kind of a nice little touch. There's a little bit of
what's
rubber
up?
on the end of the screws,
Oh.
because I guess you don't want to score the glass, but this got rubber on the screws.
Oh,
Nice. It also seems like there's a little bit of a rubber finish on right here where you push the glass plate up against.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's a nice touch.
All right, may the
Got it?
gods be with me here. Gently.
All right, let me
glass.
find that.
Yeah, so it takes a CLC. You can put a 120 or 240, I think, or 140 in front, right? Fine,
Nice.
You got all the fans.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it already
Ton of
comes with fans. We got.
Yes.
Is there exhaust
So it
on the
comes
top?
with, yeah,
oh, I
so,
see.
So it comes with
just
4
goes up to
fans,
the
but you
top.
can mount a rad up here as well. So my plan for this, this case that I haven't mentioned already is $300. That is an extra $100 over the PUBG limited edition version of the H700.
And what's the basic one?
I think the basic price is like 150,
Oh.
100 even. I don't know. I forgot. Unfortunately, sorry. I just looked up before this video and that just flew out of my head.
Pretty spiffy. Look at the drive trays. Got these little push-on adapters. I think, right? Wait, how the heck does that even?
Gordon, don't you know? Well, the internet's gonna correct you. Don't worry.
Why, it's probably in back, right? So there's nowhere. There we go. That's pretty cool. So you
Yeah.
take it.
That's nice.
It's a nice touch.
I do wonder about this red, white,
Push
and
on
black
there.
aesthetic.
Snaps
though.
in. Huh?
I do wonder a little about the aesthetic having the white, such a strong contrast against the black and the red, but
Yeah.
it's not bad.
Well, at least you see it in some of the flourishes.
Yeah.
So the motherboard's obviously going to cover this up, but at least you're going to see some of the red here.
So this, I was trying to figure out what this bracket was. Is this for cable management?
So this basically is where it hides all the cables coming in and out of the case. It's a pretty common feature now on NZXT cases, from what I can tell. I'm really looking forward to building this because I haven't really done a lot.
I mean, it's a lot of
NZXT
room.
builds.
This is comfy.
This is nice.
Yep.
I like it when you don't block this access to the screws. You know, sometimes you have to stick the screwdriver shaft through the hole to get to the screws. This one's pretty open. So,
Yep.
what the heck is this though?
I think
A
that's
slot.
I don't know actually. I'll have
Yeah.
to look. It's not for a riser car, I don't think.
Huh.
Because you would need actually slots available.
Nice.
Do you want to see what comes in it?
Yeah. This is turned into a teardown. But yeah, so since this is not a cheap case, I'm not going to be too conservative with the build that we're going to do in this. So I think we're going to have some nice lighting, put in a
Core
nice-
i9.
No, I think we'll stick
Ryzen?
with... Oh, I think we're going to do a 9900K build with this.
Yep.
Yeah, Core i9.
I guess that is Core i9 now, huh? I keep thinking it's i7 because it's the top of the line.
Yeah, we haven't finalized all the parts. Once again, you know,
You might
this-
have
this is
to
more about
get
the
it out
cool
from the
case.
side.
Got to pull the back. Oh, yeah, well, let's look at the back.
Look at the button right
You know what I like is they said like it's.
there. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's
Oh.
nice.
Oh, wait,
It's
do
like,
that again.
it's like Dell.
Ah,
Like
That's
those
pretty
pre-builds where you just have a single button press.
Got a lot
Nice.
of cable management. You got your.
Guys, look at this. There's actually
Velcro?
fingerprints on this already.
wait. Hold up. Oh
Can you
boy,
see that?
I can't really see him.
I
It's
can.
actually painted.
There's like fingerprints on it already.
Hurry and lift him.
Someone
kidding.
is already.
Somebody took care of it.
Does anybody really now? I gotta ask if you do. Would you ever go through the trouble of making the back neat?
Ooh, I would for this. Look at this.
But you don't. It's covered up.
Yeah, these
But
channels.
you know that you have the option to make it beautiful with all of these channels, and if you don't, it's just like you didn't even try. Your heart's just not in it.
Yeah, this is.
I think
is
this
nice.
first, Gordon, this first.
Huh?
Yeah, this first.
Come on, we're gonna give this away. Don't ruin it. Jeez, Gordon.
It's
Can you
just the
move the fingers?
accessories box.
Oh no, I'm just kidding.
I could get this out, but
Oh, maybe you are first. Maybe you can take out the drive cage first.
let me just get this out. It's just
Okay.
gyro.
Thank you. So you got room right here for two.
The two.
Yeah, three
Look
and
at
a half
this.
inch drives.
Oh, that's cool.
Very
oh,
nice.
come-
Oh, you get a bobblehead.
So this
Well,
tells
this
you.
won't. Maybe we won't give that away. Keep
This tells you right here why this case is $300. They had to pay for all the licensing and the extras.
Yeah.
Well,
that's,
so-
that's fun.
Should
Is
I
that-
open it or
Yeah,
should I leave this too?
Is
Where are all
it, is
the
it
parts?
taped?
No, it's a. Oh, it's a.
Oh,
I
yeah,
think it's one of
it's
those blind
taped.
boxes.
Oh, they're in here.
Is it?
Right? So you have to see which one you get.
Oh, you can't open that. That's got to stay closed.
Yeah,
Alright.
we should hold on to it.
No, I mean whoever gets the case.
Well, no, I mean, oh
Yeah,
yeah.
whoever gets the case should have that.
So here's all the
Have
parts.
experience.
How do you get? I guess it's just mounted in the drive bay.
Can you pop it out? There you go.
Yeah, I guess we don't. Just, well, I guess if you want.
I mean, I think this is gonna be the standard.
How many tweezers does it come with? That's
Just
what I
about
wanna
to,
know.
I was just about to see which one of us was gonna make that reference.
Yeah, that joke will last forever. Yeah, look at all the tweezers.
So, okay, I want to show this to you all because this is one of my favorite things about NZXT. They will actually package all your screws separately, and they'll label them for you. I really like this.
Oh, that is nice.
It's a nice touch.
Although
It's
most
really-
people will not know what 6/32 screw flat is.
I know, but it's a nice touch. So that way you just keep track of everything. You don't have to go picking through all of it, sorting it by hand to find the one that you need. But it's a nice little thing that
And
they
what's
do.
this though? What's this little cable?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's a little header.
Oh, that's a nice touch. Wait, am I reading that
An
right?
extender, like a header.
Wait, what
extender?
the hell? So this would go to your motherboard.
Yeah.
This is the front power. It's just, I guess it's just extra. I'm confused. Oh, maybe if you need to rewire, because it must have a uniform block. Should we pull out some more?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more.
So check this out. So we're gonna pull off the tweezer. And then
That's
look,
gonna have
check it
legs
out.
for a
See,
while.
look. We got our AC audio for onboard audio, or to your sound card, fan, USB 2. Oh, now I am really confused. So you would plug this into this, and then is
Seems like an
this just an extension?
Extension of some sort to me.
Oh, that's funky. I would have thought this. So these days you get this standard plug that's uniform in every motherboard. Even ASUS has done it. You think this would just be the block you could plug in? And I thought maybe this lets you convert if you have a board that doesn't. But
Yeah,
this
that's right.
is just an extension cable. SATA power for your everything else. USB 3. Worst connector in the world. These things.
Yes,
I hate
the
this.
inflexibility of those cables. Oh, this is actually not as bad as some of the others, though, because these are two flat ones. Sometimes you get the really solid round one, and then it's hard to get it to route without
Yeah.
it sticking out super obviously.
So, and how big are these? 120?
Those are 120s. So
Same with the back?
yeah. Oh, no, the one in the back looks like a 140.
Yeah, a little bigger.
Yeah. So my plan is to get some RGB lighting in here. Probably will end up going with a white color, so that's not really making full use of the RGB part of that. But
Yeah, you know.
I feel like a nice light white lighting setup would be great. Just a soft glow from this side here and then down from the top. But we'll have to see. Our live build probably won't go too much in depth with getting everything prettied up. We'll have a couple of other videos, right? So we're gonna do a live stream of playing Fallout 76 when it comes out.
Yeah.
And then we'll have a final video that shows this all pretty. Cables all aligned properly.
Yeah, so
everything
the
routed
date
nicely.
of the live build and when the contest will start is November 12th.
Yep.
Right? Live build will be morning, let's say like 10 a.m.
Yeah.
maybe.
So it should be about a week from this video going live.
Yeah.
And then 2 days later is when we'll do a live stream of Fallout 76.
Playing
like
it
I said.
on this build. Yeah, this is exciting.
And then we'll have it shown one last time all prettied up. And then we tear it down so we can send off the case, which also will include, I forgot to bring it with me so you can see it, but NZXT very generously included a Hue 2 kit.
Yay.
So if you go with an all NZXT build, you can, have that at your disposal for your RGB
Nice.
lighting needs.
Now, Gordon, because we're giving this away, you can't spill beer on it, okay?
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's supposed to be weathered anyway, right?
Oh, yeah,
put
you're
a few
right.
dents in it.
Yeah.
I'm so does this come out? It must come out. Oh, it does come out. The cable. I like how people call it cable management. It's called a cover, is what it is. But
Yeah, you can manage how it looks.
You can call it whatever you like, but I do think it's a little bit nicer in terms of hiding things, especially big bulky things.
yeah, but how do you? I mean, it does seem like it limits the size of the board you're using because some boards are. I guess if you're using an extended ATX, you just gotta leave.
Well, but then it
this
hides.
You're not going to use extended ATX though, because it doesn't have it. This is only up to
Oh,
ATX.
ATX
This is a
only.
mid-sized tower, dude.
Nice.
Huh. I just wonder what happens when your motherboard butts up right against this.
Well, hopefully we won't have to find that out, because that will extend the time of our live build.
Nice. Well, everybody can look forward to it, to winning this 1 of 2,000 edition case. Actually, even though this is 1 of 2,000, the other 1,999 have not been opened by you and Gordon.
That's
So
true.
Yes,
so
this
this
is
one's
one of
already
a kind.
special.
yeah, this is special.
And depending on how the live build goes, you may get a couple of extra weathering scratches on it.
Yeah.
We'll try not to.
Nice.
Drops mount.
On the back?
We'll, I guess we'll leave Gordon to puzzle out this mystery.
Yeah, we'll figure
And
it
we'll
out.
see you
Yep.
all in about a week.
See ya.
Bye,
Later.
everyone.